Hello everyone and Happy New Year! This is the first video of a new format. Well, I will present various projects always related to musical instruments. In this case, an 8-foot gedackt stopped. A beautiful register with a sweet and mysterious sound. Great if you want to build a small pipe organ. Before starting, remember to subscribe to the channel and keep in mind that I'm a simple enthusiast like you. Let's go! Okay, this is the section of the pipe. As you can see, the inside of the block is quite particular and also quite challenging to build. Otherwise we are not happy. Here is the throat, below is the foot. The darker part is in hardwood. In this part, a sort of compression of the air is created, which will then come out of the windway. And here, a slight depression. This is the mouth and upper lip. And being stop register, it will have stoppers. Strange, right? With its leather seal. As you can see, there are also some stoppers with holes. In fact, from a certain note onwards, they will be like this, so that the sound is enriched with harmonics and also suitable for solo performance. Now let's see the block in detail. This is the foot section, rather large, and as you can see, some nicks will be made. Attention, very light nicks. They are useful for keeping the attack under control and keeping a good amount of harmonics. Now we see the scaling of the pipes. This is the length of the ruler. The height is defined by the larger pipe, which will be 70 mm wide and 90 mm deep. The various sections are divided in two to create the 5 octaves, and then the various sections are divided by 12 notes. So we will get all the dimensions. To calculate the length of the pipes, take the distance between the desired note, for example the C sharp, up to the line of the mouth. In the next video we will see the working pressure, the windway and the height of the mouth, and then I'll show you how to build them. See you next time. Bye.